Good evening, friends. Today is the seventh day of Navratri, and Goddess comes on the seventh day as Mata Kalratri. So, we will begin today by chanting prayers to Ma Kalratri. Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Ma Kalratri Rupen Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Friends, tomorrow is the 8th day and the day after 9th day when the Navratri will end, and the day after that 26th of October will be the Vijayadashmi. So Vijayadashmi is celebrated with great pomp and show in Mysuru. The Mysuru Dashera is world famous. So today I will bring to you the images and the details of the Mysuru Dashera. I am about to present it. Please hold on for a minute, please. So these are the images from Mysuru Dashera, friends. As you can see, Goddess Chamunda is coming atop an elephant on the Vijayadashmi day in Mysuru. Friends, Mysuru Dashera is the state festival of Karnataka. It is a 10-day long festival starting with 9 nights of Navratri and the last day being Vijayadashmi. The Hindu festival of Dashera, Navratri, Vijayadashmi, these all celebrate the victory of good over evil. It was the day in Hindu legends when goddess Chamundeshwari killed the demon Mahishasura. Mahishasura is the demon whose slaying by the goddess gave us freedom from evil. And in Mysuru, because of the killing of Mahishasur by the goddess Chamunda, the city is known as Mysuru. The Mysuru tradition celebrates the warriors and the state fighting for the good during this festival, ritually worshipping and displaying the state weapons, sword, elephants, horses, along with the Hindu Devi goddess in her warrior form, as well as the Vishnu avatar Ram. Mysuru has a long tradition of celebrating the Dashera with grandeur and pomp to mark the festival. Last year, 2019, the Dashera festival in Mysuru completed 409th anniversary. And friends, to share with you, luckily I was in Mysuru on the day of Dashera last year when it was the 409th anniversary of the Dashera festival in Mysuru. The festivities include a special Darbar, Royal Assembly. It was during the reign of Krishnaraj Wadiyar III in the year 1805 when the king started the tradition of having a special Darbar in Mysore Palace during Dashera, which was attended by members of the royal family, special invitees, officials, and masses. Friends, a procession is taken out on the day of Dashera from the precincts of the Royal Palace, Mysuru. Here, the first slide I am displaying shows the goddess coming atop the elephant, goddess Chamunda, after slaying the demon Mahishasur, is coming atop the elephant. This is the forecourt of the palace, friends, Mysore Palace, where the Dashera procession starts. You can see the visitors who have assembled to witness the procession. This procession is locally known as Jambu Savari, and after coming out of the palace, it passes through the streets of Mysore city, and the main attraction was shown earlier slide was the idol of goddess Chamundeshwari. This idol is placed in a mantap, golden mantap, and this golden mantap is 750 kg of gold on the top of a decorated elephant, as you can see. This idol is worshipped by the royal couple and other invitees. Last year, when I visited it, the Chief Minister V.S. Yediyurappa also had come. So all the invitees, royal couple, they worship it before it is taken around in the procession. Colorful tableau. Karnataka has 30 states. Colorful tableau from all states. Dance groups from states, music bands, decorated elephants, horses and camels form a part of the procession. This starts from Mysore Palace, and after passing through the streets of Mysuru, it culminates at a place called Banni Mantap, where the Banni tree is worshipped. According to a legend of Mahabharata, Banni tree was used by the Pandavas to hide their weapons during the 1 year of Agyatwas. Before undertaking any warfare, the kings in Mysuru traditionally worshipped this tree to help them emerge victorious in the war. The Dashera activities would culminate on this night of Vijayadashmi with an event held in the grounds at Banni Mantap. So, this is the forecourt of the Mysore Palace where the procession starts. So, we were witness to it last year. This photo is taken then. And this is the procession started, friends. Elephant passing through the palace ground in the procession. Then people from different parts of the state who have donned the faces of different parts of Ramayana. More elephants. One great saint from Karnataka belonging to one of the 30 districts. Another tableau from one district. Another tableau. People are displaying their traditional wares. Then a form of goddess again. This tableau brought by one of the districts. One more tableau by another district. One more tableau. And this tableau depicts a tiger, friends. Tiger, as you know, was goddess carrier on several of the days of the Navratri. So tiger tableau has come here. Again, people are wearing masks. One more tableau from my state. Then martial arts. This gentleman is showing a martial art. Here, people have assumed the characters of Ramayana. They are in the form of Hanuman, Vali, Sugriv. Then this group of people from a district of a state displays their local produce in the form of bouquets, artificial bouquets. And here comes the goddess slaying the demon Mahishasur. See how impressive this is. This was a live show there. Now goddess is about to kill the demon Mahishasur. One more great person from a district whose tableau is going here. Then another tableau. One more. Here again one tableau of a district is going, where the characters are displayed. Here again some characters are displayed, and here the royal entourage is going, the security of the palace, they are part of the procession. And lastly again Ma Chamunda. So we are blessed to have darshan of Ma Chamunda today. And last year on Vijayadashmi day, I will show you the photograph which I had clicked. So the king of Mysuru is in the center wearing white half shirt. King, chief minister is to his right, V.S. Yediyurappa. Then district officials are there along with them, and they pray to the goddess, and thereafter the procession marches forward and culminates at Banni Mantap. And the night time, the palace lights are to be seen to be believed. The palace is decorated by 1 lakh bulbs. Can you imagine, friends? 1 lakh bulbs. And the lighting is from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is in fact on all the days, and nothing better than to see it on the Vijayadashmi day. So simply out of this world. The palace beauty is indescribable on this day. So this was all, friends. So enjoy Mysore Dashera. May Goddess bless you all. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video, and recommend it to all your friends and acquaintances. Good luck and all the best to you. Thank you, friends, for watching this.